Hello everyone, I hope all of you are good. Today's video is going to be a bit different from the rest of my videos. It is not going to be any kind of book review or a motivational video. Today we would be learning top 10 idioms or 10 idioms which are commonly used in English language. Through this video, you will be able to know where you stand in the knowledge of the idioms, and if not, then you will get to know some of the idioms which you can use in your daily vocabulary. So getting started with the video. So your first word is getting a taste of your own medicine. The idiom must be popping somewhere on the screen, and here starts your timing. Getting a taste of your own medicine means being treated in the same way you used to treat other people. It means being reciprocated the same kind of affections and reactions which you used to give to other people. The second idiom is bite the bullet. The meaning of bite the bullet is to finally decide to do something that you have been avoiding for a long time just because it was unpleasant. The third idiom is last straw. The meaning of last straw is the last problem in a series of a number of problems. It means that all the rest of the problems have been solved and there is just one more problem needed to be rectified. The fourth idiom is it takes two to tango. It takes two to tango means a task which cannot be completed single-handedly by one person. It means a task which requires more than one people for its completion. The fifth idiom is when the pigs fly. When the pigs fly means something that is never going to happen in the future. It means something that is really vague and is not expected to occur anywhere in the future. Sixth idiom is to cut corners. To cut corners means to do something half-heartedly. It means to do something just for the sake of doing it without showing any interest. The seventh idiom is to feel under the weather. To feel under the weather means not to feel good. It means you might be having fever or you may be feeling down, you may be feeling unpleasant, and that is when you say to feel under the weather. The eighth idiom is speak of the devil. Speak of the devil means that the person you were just talking or gossiping about suddenly appears at that particular place. The ninth idiom is be glad to see the back of. Be glad to see the back of means that you are very happy to see some people going. It means you're very happy to see that some people are now leaving and you can be all alone without their company. The 10th and the last idiom is to go on a wild goose chase. To go on a wild goose chase means to go in search of something that is just a waste of time and won't be successful. It means to look for something knowing that it won't turn any good. These were some of the idioms which are most commonly used in English language. I hope that this video must have been fruitful to you and you must have come across some idioms if you weren't familiar with them. Till then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.